Hi everyone, today I'm with another unboxing. Here I have some small products. Both are from ROG, and one is a RGB LED clock and the other one is the RGB Ambient Light, and I want to see what's inside this product and see how it looks. And also, without any delay, let's get unboxing. Okay, let's first take out the LED ambient light, and here the box design itself look good and I really like the design. And if I check on the back, there are some information regarding like what it included and all. So it's in Chinese because I got this product from China, and so there are some information here like how many uh, lights pieces and USB and everything like included here. So let me open up and check it out like what's actually inside. So yeah, let's open it up. There's a leaflet here, and there are some information regarding how to set it up the right way and the wrong way. And graphically speaking, the instruction manual is like really clear, and you don't even need to read the words because when you see the picture you can get the understanding. And there is also a controller here that control through the computer, I think. I'm not really sure. I had to set it up and see like the actual information regarding on that. Let's see what's inside this box. There's a small controller here and something related to like, yeah, giving the power. I think this connector is go for the light. Oh, there's more inside. Oh, the remote. You got a power base here as well. Some connectors to connect each light together. I think this is for sticking the light into the wall. Maybe some tapes. Let me open up and see what it actually is. Oh, so you can manually like connect it, like you can stick it like one end to the wall and the other end to the light itself. I have to check this while when I'm setting this up. Oh, these are the light pieces. There's all together 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let me open up one and see how it looks like. especially the connectors. So there are connectors on the whole side, so you can connect it up. So this is the end of my unboxing of RGB Ambient Light, and I hope everyone get to know like what's included in this product. And I'm really excited to try it and mount it on my wall and see how it looks like. So it might take some time to set it up, and I need to find a proper location to set it up, and I have to go through the instruction manual and see how it's gonna look like in the end. So let's get into the next unboxing. So let's check it out, the RGB LED clock. And as usual, the RGB product have a good design and it's really simple, and I really like this style. Have some words and the font and everything, it's really good. And so in the behind there is no much information regarding what included. So let's see what's inside this product. So when I take out the polythene, it really looks nice. I mean, look better than before. So the shine and everything is like, this box design is itself is really good. So let's open up and see what's inside. Let's see what's inside this box. There are some numbers and okay, there are some numbers here, and it's made out of not actually glass per se. It seems like a little bit of plastic. Let's try out the other ones. Right. I think I had to go through the manual to set this up because I'm not really sure how to set this each part up. Let's see what's inside this box. Yeah, finally, the manual. Rainbow Time RGB. So there are some information and how to set it up, like each piece by piece, how to set it up, and yeah, I can follow these instructions to set this up. So yeah, in behind it's in Chinese, but if you flip it up, there are gonna be English instructions, so I can go piece by piece, I mean part by part. So there's a power base. Yeah, there's some more inside. Some balls and also the tool to set it up. Screwdriver and some cable, Type-C to USB. And also wiping cloth. and a small tweezer. So I have this some kind of like a wood, and it's in a good quality and it looks really nice. And yeah, it's actually the base. Let me see the picture itself. Yeah, I think it needs to be set up on the top. There are around 6 pieces. So this is the main base, and as you can see there are like several like lights and also places to attach those plastics that include numbers, so you can just put it there. Like there's around like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around 8. So in the back there is a type C input here, and I think it's probably, yeah, it's for the power. And if I go to the like something related to the brightness, I think, and also different mode, also time, and to set it. So like, yeah, there are like several functions here, so I have to set it up and see like how you can actually change those. So this is the end of my unboxing of RGB LED clock, and I really wanna set it up and see how it looks like. I'm have to go through the instruction manual to see how to set it up, and also my LED lights, and I'm gonna try it out, and I think it's gonna look amazing. So generally speaking, this is the end of my unboxing, and thank you for subscribing me and liking and commenting. If you need any more uh, product related opinions, or I mean about some information, just ask me out and I'll try to provide as much as I can. So thank you for watching my videos again, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.